Well, the Senate is working on one of President Biden's key legislative priorities, a spending bill that addresses a number of issues, and Wyoming U.S. Senator Cynthia Lummis is weighing in. Senate Democrats are proposing a so-called Inflation Reduction Act. It's a $700 billion bill that would allocate money to environmental and climate justice and healthcare expansion, in addition to investing around $300 billion in deficit reduction. To do so, though, the bill would raise more than $700 billion from higher taxes on corporations and hedge fund owners. Democrats and President Biden say the bill will create jobs and economic opportunity. But Wyoming U.S. Senator Cynthia Lummis says it will hurt the economy. She's one of many GOP senators speaking out in opposition to the legislation.
To fight inflation, we need to take regulation off business so it can continue to produce. We need to return to a country that produces enough oil and gas and energy for itself and then can export some to other countries.
But Senate Democrats reached a compromise late last night that gives them the votes necessary to move forward with the Inflation Reduction Act. It comes with the nation's economy starting to slow down, teetering on the edge of a full-on recession. Later this morning, the latest job numbers will be released, and they're expecting to show continued growth, but at a slower pace than the last few months. Jay Gray joins us from Capitol Hill with a closer look at the deal and what comes next.
The partisan fight over the Inflation Reduction Act may be over.
It's what the American people want. It's what the country so desperately needs.
Majority Leader Chuck Schumer announcing overnight the measure now has the full support of Senate Democrats. The lone holdout, Arizona Senator Kyrsten Sinema, agreeing to back the legislation after a carried interest tax provision she opposed was dropped from the bill. Democrats say it will provide funding to fight climate change, lower prescription drug costs, and provide desperately needed relief for families dealing with the highest consumer prices in the last 40 years.
Americans don't want Democrats to regulate us into an even deeper recession.
Republicans have bashed the measure, saying it's bad for business, working Americans, and will drive inflation even higher. A frightening thought for families struggling to make ends meet.